this is a spot that I come to very frequently in Santa Elena, and I spend a lot of time here manifesting, just talking, expressing, being one with nature and being out here. And obviously, times token, it's a old, you know, but just reconnecting and connecting and grounding myself, as you can obviously see. But it's always this one clicky sound. It comes around on what creature it is, but it comes around and it just disappears. And then this butterfly, I feel like these are spirit guides or some angels or something because look, it doesn't even move. And it just every time I come and land on my feet, it just be sitting there every single time. This is crazy. It's how powerful nature is. Whenever you come back, nature is a sanctuary. Like go outside, but go within, inside of you. That's go outside into nature, natural, but go inside of you. Go spend time. Look, you know what I'm saying? I got my sandals, my water, my bag, and look, in the middle of the forest, literally. Oh, it flew away. There he goes. Let's see here. There it is.